fellow traders. So doing an update on the natural gas. I marked the raise and reversals here, not posting them online anymore since it's not my information to post. But something is interesting happening with it. On the weekly, we have a panic and a direction change. Then we had a direction change here, and we keep going lower. But yesterday we failed to take out the 1565 on the 4 hours intervals. The stochastics are moving up, so I don't know if today we're not closing this gap. I believe we might see a good bounce. Or we can see on a monthly a low. See a low on the 25th March. The number is 1456. If we're dipping under this, that's definitely lower than that. So let me know what you think.